details. Well, girl, here go the motherfucking details.
It's about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You're watching On Simone with your girl Simone. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you are notified when I post new videos. If you're returning, hey girl, it's another beauty video. I know. You're looking like, girl, you slayed that. And if you follow me on Instagram, then I got a lot of comments asking me, well, girl, drop the details. Well, girl, here go the motherfucking details. All right. So in today's video, I will be doing my review on the, guess what? What Lace Wig Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wig in the style ADANNA. This is what she looks like. She comes in multiple colors, but I purchased her in color number 2. She is a 13 by 6 customizable free parting frontal piece, and it is undetectable. As you can see, I didn't have to do any plucking, sis. No plucking. I mean, she might be looking a little rough now. I've had her on for not a week. I've had her on for 4 days, I want to say, where okay, so I kind of cheated or whatever. I said I was just gonna, well, I cheated myself, not y'all. I said I was just gonna use Gotta Be and EBIN, that holding spray. That holding spray is life. My best friend told me about it, as well as this wig, and I love it. It was really secure, but I was afraid that it wasn't going to be secure enough, so I actually went ahead and used dang, I can't even think of it, the glue. It's a popular wig glue. What is that wig glue called? Ghost Bond, I think it is. I'll tag it below because I cannot think of what it was that I used, but it's wig glue, so it's not going anywhere, like, at all. So, all right, I'm correcting myself. So back to it. She is a pre-customized unit. It's, like I said, a 13 by 6 ear to ear with a 6-inch deep hand top part. This part goes back pretty far. I could probably put it back further than what it already is. Again, it's an undetectable hairline. It's the perfect hairline with baby hair along the way. I did customize mine a little bit more and add more baby hair, which I really didn't need to do, because when I did that, my best friend was like, my baby hairs was a little too thick. So I had to like push some of the hair back that I had already cut. It's a protective style that requires no leave out. And it is well crafted. The backing is net, so if you didn't want to do the ball cap method, which is what I did underneath, it is breathable, so there's that. And then they have the adjustable straps. I call them the bra strap hooks that you can adjust to make it tighter. I think I'm going to loosen mine up a bit, so after I finish filming this video, I'm going to give it a rest, because she is a synthetic wig. She does not feel as such, but she is, so I'm gonna give her a break, and then, you know, just let my hair breathe, and she will be getting put back on, because your girl got things to do, pictures to take for content for you guys for the month of February. So she will be getting put back on, and y'all will be getting looks in her. Nevertheless, I am pretty surprised with this wig. Super surprised. I'm obsessed, like obsessed with this wig. I really want to try the new line, so, you know, Sensational, if y'all can hear me, if you can hear me, hear you, talk to you, see me, see you, slide in your girls messages or in my email inbox at onsimone@yahoo.com, and let's talk a collaboration, because I am here. I stand for the What Lace Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wig collection. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but she giving the girls a run for her money. Okay, so right now I don't really know what else y'all want to see from me aside from the parting. So let's see, I had it in a C part when I first installed it, so let's do it that way. And y'all want to see 3 days. All I do when I go to sleep is part it in the back down the middle, and I just 2-strand twist both sides. I put a silk scarf around my edges to hold those down. 2-strand twist, 2 pigtails, pin them up with a bobby pin and a silk bonnet on. And I also have silk pillowcases just in case the bonnet slips off, but it doesn't slip off because of the big bow. If you know, if you are a person of color, then you know, and specifically a melanated queen, you know, when you get that big bow at the top with the scarf, it's not going nowhere. Now when we got the straight bags, it's gonna slip off, no ifs, ands, or buts. But with the knot, the bow, it's not going nowhere. So this is what she was giving. This is what she looks like with a, a Swiss part, a C curve part. I don't know what y'all call this, but thigh part, C style. This is what she looks like. Very nice, very natural. I gotta work on my ball cap method. I think I put it too far up, so when I put the lace on and I cut the lace, okay, you have to be careful with the lace on this one. I have another wig that I will be reviewing in the same collection of this wig of Sensational's What Lace Cloud 9. I have another one, so when I do that review, I will record the beginning process first of me. I don't know if I do the ball cap method or if I just put a cap on and then install a wig that way. I'm not sure. I think for me, maybe that'll be easier because I'm still learning the ball cap method and it was a little tricky. Nevertheless, I will show you how much lace you have in front. So to me, I would have liked a little bit more lace as a beginner. I've had frontals before where I've tried to make my own wigs, and with trying to make them with a frontal, some kind of way I end up misgauging my head, and so it ends up being smaller. My head is a 20, I need a 23-inch wig head to make my wigs, but some kind of way before I was using styrofoam heads, I messed that up. So I don't know if that's a me thing or a wig head thing, I don't know, but I would rather purchase one already, and I already know my size. But I didn't really need to put foundation on it for real, and honest, well, concealer foundation, I didn't need to put it on there for real, but I did, and I ended up having to use my contour color to buff out the edges to get it to blend. I have not touched this up at all. I mean, I tried to retouch baby hairs a couple days ago. A little stubborn, and these are coming apart over here. If you're wondering why I'm looking to the side, it's because I have a mirror to my left. I guess you guys is right. I don't really know the camera flip situation right now, but that is what I keep looking at. We thought I brought a hair tie over here, but we can also brush her back, and you can do the easy breezy. We can do a little ponytail situation like such. So this would be super cute to do a ponytail, or we can just that's cute too. We can have a free fall waterfall bang here. So yeah, that will conclude this video. Let me know your thoughts, or if you want to see me try I did try to get this in burgundy, but it was sold out. I will link where you can get these from. If you go to your local beauty supply store, they are a bit more pricey than they are online. I think when I went to my local beauty supply store, they were like between $80 and $85. So you have to kind of do your research because the price varies on sites. I purchased this one for $52, maybe $53. I think it's $52.99, so $53 compared to the $85 I would have paid in store. But hey, she is worth the points. If you are in a rush and you pick her up, she is worth the money. But as y'all know, I am the affordable queen. I'm going to get everything with a discount code for the lowest, if not free, and bring it to y'all. So I'm not going to try to fishtail you into like, oh, pay the the highest price. No, so I'm going to try to get you the lowest price. We are all in a panoramic, in a pan-shirt salmon. And we are not in the middle of it. We are still living in this. And who knows when we're coming out of it. So, or who knows if we might have to revert and go back in the house and all not be out of work, but not be able to go to work, or maybe work like ceases for a moment like it did in the very beginning. Nevertheless, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. I did watch a video in regards to tangling because these are synthetics, and as you know, if you watched my review on how I revive my synthetic wigs and human hair wigs, I had a synthetic wig that is extremely it's just fuzzy. I'm not gonna say it's extremely tangly because the method actually works, so it's not tangly anymore, it's just fuzzy. So I'm gonna go and take this off, but as you can see, it's not that bad. My curls are falling in. Okay, here you go. It is tangling here, so you just gently brush it out. I don't use a brush on this hair. I always use a wide tooth comb or the new detangling brush. I don't use regular brushes. So I either use the detangling brush because it fans out like a wide tooth comb. The bristles are not stuck together or hard, and it's also silicone. So I use that one or this to brush out. And I do from the ends to about the middle. I never go all the way to the top. There's no need, because if you ever had a synthetic wig, it never tangles at the top. It's always like here down. So I just gently brush, and actually nothing came out for me to show you. So I don't even really know. You can do this side and gently comb it. But again, I was trying to end this video and then I started combing and then I got distracted. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below again what color you'd like to see me try in this hair, because I would love to do a color. I'm thinking about doing the flamboyage caramel, which is like a brown and blonde mix in this. I think this is going to be my look, you guys. I've been trying to find a look for my videos to give y'all a clean cut. You know, she got it together even when I don't have it together. What's the Rihanna reel sounds? What do you do on those days when you're not feeling your best? Pretend? Yeah, it's either that or crying myself to sleep. Who wants to do that? So she is giving me, we don't cry ourselves to sleep. We bask in the bed like the rich bitch that we are. But until next time, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Bye.